What are key quantitative research methods from early sociology? Imagine trying to understand a big city's social life just by looking at numbers. That's what early sociologists did with their key quantitative research methods. They wanted to find patterns and facts about society using numbers and data. One main method was social surveys. These surveys collected information from people through questionnaires, interviews, or even just observing. Early sociologists didn't just ask questions. They also used official records like crime reports, health data, and employment numbers. This helped them study issues like poverty or family life in a structured way. Another important method was statistical analysis. Sociologists worked closely with statisticians to analyze the data they collected. They used techniques to find trends, such as how many people migrated or how many families had children. They calculated rates like birth rates, death rates, and social mobility. These numbers helped them understand how society was changing over time. Using government census data was another key approach. These censuses collected information about populations across different regions. Sociologists used this data to track demographic changes, family structures, and social class differences. Because census data covers large groups, it gave a broad picture of society. This made their research more reliable and less biased. Sometimes, early sociologists combined numbers with observations. They might watch how families interacted or how communities worked, then compare what they saw with the numbers they had. This mix helped them understand not just the numbers but the social context behind them. Demographic methods from the field of population studies were also used. Techniques like family reconstitution, which rebuilds family histories from records, helped study fertility and mortality. Life table analysis was used to understand how long people lived and what factors affected their lifespan. These methods gave a detailed look at population patterns. Many early studies focused on specific cities or regions. For example, researchers studied London or Merseyside to understand local social conditions. They often worked with social reform groups or statistical societies to gather data and analyze it. This local focus helped them see how social issues played out in real communities. All these methods helped early sociologists build a scientific approach to studying society. They used numbers and data to support their ideas, making sociology a more credible and organized field. So, in essence, early sociology relied on social surveys, statistical and demographic analysis, official data, and combining numbers with observations to understand social patterns. These methods laid the foundation for how we study society today.